Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change time server in Windows 11 operating system. So by default, the time server in Windows 11 operating system is time.windows.com. Now we will see how you can change that time server to a custom time server. So we have the first method here. Just ensure that you are on the latest preview build of Windows 11 in order to follow this method. You have to simply right click on the clock present on the taskbar and select adjust date and time. This will open the settings app and take you to the time and language, then date and time. Here, if I check the additional setting, the sync now settings, last successful time synchronization was unspecified. This is because I do not have the time synced to a server. So first of all, we will sync the time to server. Turn on the set time automatically option. Once you do that, the time will be synced with the online server. And now we will be able to change the time server. So here under additional settings, expand this and you will get this option, change the time server. Note that this option is not available currently on the stable version, but it is now available on the latest preview builds. So if you do not see this option, you might see this option later on the stable releases. So here, back to this screen, we will click on the change button and you can see that the default server here is time.windows.com. Now you can add a custom server. For example, I am adding time.nist.gov. This is the custom time server I am adding, and then click OK. And immediately the custom time server will be in effect and the time will instantaneously sync with that server. Now let's see the second method to do this. And in this case, we will using the registry. Right click on the start button and select run. In run window, type regedit and click OK. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. In the registry editor window, you have to go to H key local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, date, time, and then servers. When you arrive to servers registry key, in the corresponding right pane, you will find some registry strings. So here we have first the default named registry string, which is set to value data 2. Here we also have the order of the time servers. The registry string with value data 1 is having the first order, and the server mentioned in its value data will be used when the default is set to 1. Similarly, when the default is set to 2 value data, the registry string having the name 2 will be used and the server it denotes as value data will be used. So currently you can see that default is set to 2, and for 2 we have time.nist.gov. Now what we will do here is we will add a custom time server here. So I'll just right click on the empty space and select new, then string value. For the order, I have to name this registry string as 3. Now I will double click on this registry string, and for the value data, I will add the custom time server. In this case, I am adding time.apple.com as a custom server and just click OK. Now if I want to add time.apple.com as a default time server, I have to just modify the default registry string here, which is currently set to 2. I have to set it to 3, and now the time.apple.com will be used to sync time as a custom server. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.